J'ai vu deux grosses bombes.
Morning in the Highlands was wet. It rained all night and showed no sign of stopping. However, on a motorcycle, you don't have to wait for the weather to clear, you can just outrun it. The forecast looked better on the Isle of Skye, so I packed the gear and headed south. I stopped at Eilean Donan Castle along the way. It's a 13th century fortress sitting where 3 sea lochs meet. It was destroyed by the Royal Navy in 1719 during a Jacobite uprising involving Spanish soldiers. Local legend says one of his soldiers still haunts the ramparts, and Lady Mary is claimed to haunt the bedrooms. By the way, it's one of the most photographed spots in Scotland. I then headed towards Neist Point in the afternoon. I was actually told by a friend that it was a good spot to spearfish. So I did a few dives and spotted a group of pollocks. I managed to land one, but I didn't get to record any of it because it pushed the wrong button on my GoPro. There is no wood to make a fire and it was already starting to rain, so I couldn't cook. So I gave a fish to some German tourists who were camping nearby in their van. They had watched my gear while I was in the water, so we shared the meal at their camp. The next day I tried again further south at Highlands. The visibility was zero near the shore, so I had to swim for about 30 minutes to find clear water. This time I didn't catch any pollocks, but I caught a wrasse. So I killed it instantly with a brain spike. So you do that for two reasons. First is the most humane way to end the hunt, and it stops the release of stress hormones and lactic acid, which can actually ruin the quality and the taste of the meat.
Finalement, t'as été long?
Ouais, j'ai vu deux grosses bombes passer à côté de moi.
Ah ouais.
Il y a des moments où
Ah ouais, il y avait des algues de mer qui étaient. Et là, tu chasses où, c'est quoi?
à la base en Bretagne.
En Bretagne?
Dans l'ambiance. À Lyon, ouais.
Ah ouais? Et là, bah, chasseur en moto, j'ai vu ça. Et t'as une combat de 7 mm là?
Non, 5.
5 ça?
5, les gants 3, les pieds 300. Ok. Allez, au revoir. Ouais. Exactement.
May he know Amidst the crash of the world, may I stand unshaken amidst the crash of the world.
Rest are territorial and slower than pollocks, so making them a very good target because they don't really hunt in packs like pollocks. They actually stay near a rock, so they are really easy to catch. The meat is wide but a little bit bony.
When it comes to me, you want me, but I could